200 feet up, the ground stopped being their problem. Redwood bark is too smooth to climb, and the dead never learned to look up anyway. 41 people live in these trees now. Everything they own hangs from a rope. And every rope up here runs through his hands. A cable pulls loose and somebody dies, so he checks them, every bridge, every anchor, every morning.